Built in the 1800s, Belgadia Palace in Odisha was once the royal residence of the Bhanja dynasty. 2 centuries later, it has been restored into a living heritage property, where history meets contemporary relevance. Conservation here is not only about preserving architecture, it's about sustaining traditions like Dokra metalwork, Sabai grass weaving, and the vibrant Chhau dance. By opening the palace to travelers, the custodians have created a platform where culture is experienced, not just observed. This approach supports artisans, performers, and local livelihoods while placing Mayurbhanj back on India's cultural map.
The Belgadia Palace is more than just a destination. It's an invitation to step into a living legacy.
Every stay contributes to community development and heritage preservation, proving that living traditions can empower the present as much as they honor the past.